Good morning. My name is Ashley, and today we are going to look closely at how small parts of words called prefixes and suffixes can change what words mean. These little word parts are so powerful. So let's take a look at what a prefix is first. So a prefix is a small part we add to the beginning of a word when we add the prefix un, for example, it takes the word and changes it to mean not. So, for example, if we take the word lock, if we add un to the front of the word lock, we get unlock. That means not locked or to open something. So, let's try another word, for example. Here is the word, let's take the word happy, for example. Happy. And then if we add un, we get unhappy. Happy and unhappy are two very, very different words. Unhappy means not happy. So now I am going to build a word, class example, and I would have the class help me figure out what the word means. So I would take and place the word tie and untie on the board. So tie, like tying your shoes. And then if you add un in front of tie, it changes the word to a completely different meaning. So I would ask the class what they thought the word untie meant. So I would give them a couple minutes to give me a response. And then I would say that is correct. Untie means to take the tie out or to untie something, taking the knot out. And then next, we're going to look at suffix. A suffix is what goes at the end of the word, which can also change what that word means. For example, we are going to use the suffix ed at the end of the word. When we add ed, it usually means that something has already happened or it is now in the past. So if we take the word jump and then we take the word jumped, sentence samples is I jump now. And then I jumped yesterday. Jump is present tense. If we add ed to it, we are using it in a past tense form. Another example, if I use the word play and then I put ed at the end of it, it now becomes played. I play now. And then I played yesterday with my blocks. Ed, putting ed at the end of that word makes it past tense. I played with my blocks. So for visual, I would then give the students a word building activity using prefixes and suffixes that they can use, where they can take words like happy, lock, tie, pack. They can add the prefix or the suffix un or ed. They would then make a new word like unhappy, locked, tied, unpack. They would then write the new word and then explain what it meant and then try to use that word in a sentence.